And there's another thing I wanted to talk about here is that um, the youth here actually, in this part of the Philippines, in Leyte, and precisely in the barangay of Kapuso, what I noticed, the first impression I had about it is that a lot of, I'm gonna say, a lot of people over here got tattoos. Something just crazy, man. Anybody you gonna see passing by has a tattoo. It's wonderful. Like this nigga standing over there, he's still young. He's not even 20 years old. He got a tattoo ready, man. I'm surprised. You got another one just over there playing basketball. It's like everywhere. It's just something normal here, man. You get yourself a tattoo whenever you want. So it's something really, really normal over here. But me, I couldn't do that, man. Yeah, when I was still living with my parents, man, they would have thrown me out of the house. Yeah, but everybody here get it too, and it's just something just normal. Anyway, it is what it is. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Culture, traditions, and everything, they are different from one country to another. Oh, I got a friend behind me here. Butchokoi. I think the nigga is feeling hot. Yeah, he's not comfortable. Look at here. I'm gonna take a photo. Hey, take your best smile, nigga. Nigga's not even listening to me, man. Yeah, the weather is getting hot right now, so that's why he really has a hard time to even lay down or sit. Yeah. Butchokoi. Here I am. With a family dog over here behind. It's kind of
Picture. Picture.
Today's a brand new day, man, here in Kapuso village in Tacloban, in Leyte. Yeah. So today the weather is pretty good. You can see the skies over there. Yeah, they got blue sky with a little bit of clouds over there, but it's not raining today. It didn't rain yesterday. So I pulled out this morning. I was feeling like maybe I might head to the beach to, swim a little bit. Because even though it rains here from time to time, but the weather seems like a little bit hot. Yeah, honestly, it's kind of a little bit hot. So that's why most of the time you're gonna see people here walking around topless because it's pretty hot. So today is a little bit windy, just chilling here outside of the house with a family dog just behind me. He got a funny name, man. His name is Butchokoi. I've never heard a dog with that kind of name. Butchokoi. So yeah, it's looking at me. So I'm just sitting here outside. My father-in-law over there, he gave me a chair to sit down and chill a little bit because I got tired sitting in all the time. And that we got a lot of people just behind. They're like kind of wondering, hey, what's this nigga? There's a new nigga in the barangay. Yeah, that's what I'm facing every single day though. It's not a big deal. They're kind of curious. Yeah, even if I were in their shoes, I would have been doing the same stuff. Yeah. So you can see the houses over there, neighbors. They all know each other, I guess. And on this way, you got like the park where students come to play every day, all the time. So there's another thing I want to tell you guys. Here in the Philippines, the most favorite sport is basketball. Whenever you go, wherever you go, you always gonna find like kids playing basketball everywhere. So I got a little nigga just here behind me. He was turning around with his basketball. So They got another one all sitting behind there. They're like kind of curious, but they think that all black people are pretty good in basketball. But me, I grew up playing football, soccer, so I know nothing about basketball. So if he came close to me and keep on pushing the ball closer to me, like, come on, man, do something. I want to see you doing magic with the ball. Unfortunately, I don't know nothing about basketball. That's what I told him. But I can't believe that I play soccer. Yeah, I was a professional soccer player with basketball. See that? Yeah, I see them behind. See that? That's what I go through every single day, man. They gather and they keep on looking at me. They're curious. They want to ask you stuff. Yeah. Anyway, it's cool though. For me, it's not a big deal. Yeah. That's it. That's the life of Filipinos. And just behind me, they got two dogs. This one is actually friendly. Yeah. But the other one is really wicked. It's really wicked and aggressive. They took him to the farm to keep the farm. But I came yesterday evening, I sat down, he was barking at me, man. I was scared. Hey, wanna buy me what? Chill out, nigga. So that's it. That's it. Most of them here speak Waray. It's not my first time here in Philippines. So I was in a place where they speak Ilocano and Tagalog. But here, most of them, they can't even speak, they barely hear Tagalog. I don't know, maybe it's my accent that's not cool. But they speak Waray. That's it. I can speak Waray. That's why it's pretty tough for us to communicate or have a, a conversation.